Hello everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to efficiently use the VixOwner app. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to download and install the VixOwner app. If you're using an Android device, simply head to the Google Play Store and search for VixOwner to download it. For iPhone users, visit the App Store and search for the app to download and install it seamlessly. Once installed, open the VixOwner app. Upon launching the app, you'll be prompted to create an account. Click on Get Started if you're a new user, or select I already have a Vix account if you're an existing user. Then, choose to log in with your email or continue with Google or Facebook. For example, you can select Continue with Google and proceed to log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the app's main interface. Here, you can perform various tasks, such as editing your websites and managing settings. You'll see a list of your websites, and you can make changes like deleting or editing them. Simply navigate through the options to customize your experience. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to use the VixOwner application on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more content in the future. Peace out.